Okay, welcome to the next video. I did the last challenge, it didn't go too well, that milk one. But we'll definitely try and do it again. What I'm going to do now is do a dishwasher experiment with a dishwasher tablet in a washing machine. I've never actually done this before, but we'll give it a whirl. As you saw previously, this is the last of this washer, so we can basically do what we want. So let's chuck it in, shut the door, and put it on a 14-minute. In fact, let's go for a bloody rinse. Or shall we? Yeah, we'll go for a rinse because it go high up the water, won't it? So rinse, 28 minutes. Let's go for 1600. Oh no, it doesn't go up to 1600. I thought it did. So let's press start. Let's see what happens. I'll do another milk carton one next door, hopefully. So we'll see what happens. Dishwasher tablet in a washing machine. I want to see what this does. I'm moving my leg out of the way. I want to see what this does, you know. Okay. Yeah, I put it more or less in the centre of the drum, a bit at the back. So we'll see what happens. "28 minutes it'll still take." I'm just checking the time because I've got a bloody dishwasher coming today, so I want to make sure this is in time for it. Courage did say between 4 and 8 it'll be arriving. And I'll definitely show you around the dishwasher. But for now, we'll focus on this dishwasher tablet in the washing machine. I don't know whether it'll turn the water blue or not, I don't know, but we'll find out. It's a bit sudsy there. The water should go up to here today. It is a bit sudsy. Soon find out though. I'll definitely do a milk curtain one again. Definitely. But I'll make sure I screw the lid on a bit better. Do you know what? I'm thinking of doing a bath mat in a washing machine. I don't know. I think it's dissolved. Dishwasher tablet now. Can't see it. It's not as sudsy as I thought it would be. Can you see that there? I'm intrigued with these challenges. I want to see what happens as well as you lot. If there's not much excitement in this rinse, I'll stop it, I think, and Because there's no point in doing the whole cycle if that's dissolved, because it'd be boring and people will tune out the video. So we'll see, when it just has finished its wings, I'll stop it. Because we can basically do what we want now with this. I'm just looking at to see if the camera's picking up all the water and it is. Should come out like this. I'm just trying to think of some more challenges we could do. Do you know what? Once I've done the inside challenges, I'm going to try and cap the lock and then just shove anything in with the door wide open and see what happens. I hope I can manage to do that. But right now it's all about challenge videos, challenge. If you can see, I just need to move a bit better. Need to get comfy on camera. There we go. Jeez. Not as exciting as I thought it would be then, but never mind. Don't know if you can see, but water level's high up, but I thought the water would have turned blue with the mixture colours in that dishwasher tablet, but it's obviously not, so I'm a bit disappointed in this challenge. Oh well. I will do another gallon milk one once I've got rid of my other milk carton and I've had my milk. I am a bit disappointed in this, but never mind. When this is finished, like rinsing and spin it, when this drains in a few minutes or so, I'll stop the video. The excitement wouldn't be there now. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed in this one. It's pumping out now. Let it pump out now, we'll just stop the thing. So there's no more excitement now to it. Trying to think what more challenges I can do. What about tumble dry bowl in a washing machine? And I'll put that on a spin. I don't know. I just let it do this intermediate spin and then I'll stop it because I want the bit of water to go pump out in that. So once this intermediate spin's done, I'll stop it. I hope you're liking these videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. Candy, my ass. When I get my dishwasher later, I'm going to ask the people there if they I've picked my washer right, and obviously there's the stairs. I'm going to ask Curry's because I'm buying it from there, Rebecca, see if they can take up the stairs, because not many houses, 2-bed terrace has washing machines up the bloody stairs today. So I'm hoping that they'll let me. Either way, a washer's got to come up here anyway, so they've got to do it one way or another. I'm not having that situation again with AO. Just move all my bloody colour catches. Do you know what? I best tidy all this crap at the side of my washer before they fit my new washer. You know, and also I need to do the bloody filter before I'll end up with water all over the place. I don't even know where the filter is in a dishwasher, you know. So I'm struggling. I don't know where the filter is because I'm pretty sure I'll have water all over the place and down later. I'll stop this once I stop this intermediate spin. It should let me unlock it then. I'll stop this now. We're still at 19 minutes, but I'll stop this. There we go. Let me click off in a minute. Just give it a few minutes. And then the door will click off. Yeah, I was a bit disappointed in that one. A bit disappointed in that challenge, but never mind. I'll do some more challenges. I'll try and do the milk carton one again because it didn't go very well. And obviously the camera a bit fell down, I think it did at one point, because of that ring light's not working properly. So I'll give it another go. I want to know how to cap the look. I might get one of my friends wearing. See if they can like film me as well at the same time and do these extreme challenges with maybe a towel and let it go walking across the kitchen utility room. And obviously the power supplies there, and if it does break, just turn it to off straight away. A bit of fun. I like a bit of fun. Still won't let me unlock it. There we go. Yeah, that challenge didn't go as well as I thought. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this channel around. I've got lots more content coming, especially when Becco's here. I can't wait for Becco. Let's get rid of this bloody candy. How'd you snap this lock? How'd you snap a lock? I don't know. But let's give it a go. I'm not going to put my fingers in that, you know. I'll have to get a knife. I don't want to electrocute myself. But yeah, best not do that. Don't be so stupid. I'll do what other YouTubers do and get a lock, or I'll have to watch some other YouTube video on how to do it. Yup, a lot of dust in there. Bit greasy that, yes.